The UNDP-AFCIA program is very, very important for driving the climate agenda because it actually promotes what is called locally led adaptation. Gives the community opportunities crafting their own solutions. So that makes very much suitable for addressing the issues of climate change and driving the climate agenda.
AFCIA, they basically believed in us, and for us it's a vision to reality. They gave us the tools and the resources. We are now able to speak and articulate what it is that we need to articulate. We're now doing crowdfunding, fundraising on different platforms. Governments are coming to us instead of us going to them, and again just breaking the barriers.
We are seeing other many streams of income for the community that is cushioning them against the shock of climate change. We've been able to develop our locally formulated dairy goat meal into a product, promote dairy goat farming as an alternative source of livelihood, building the entire dairy goat value chain, the additional job opportunity for women and youth in the community. Those are huge impacts that you can directly attribute the support from the AFCIA through the UNDP.
This is something that a lot of grants don't necessarily allow space for. They're always wanting you to just scale, scale, scale. And I think UNDP-AFCIA has given us the space to really test and refine the model as we go, so that it's almost even more fine-tuned and applicable to those communities when we actually hit the ground.
UNDP-AFCIA has really propelled that holistic way. Women leaders have been included, youth have been included, governmental entities both on the indigenous side and on the local, municipal and regional side. UNDP has really allowed us to foment those bridges so that sustainability is achievable and not just a dream.
The support of the local community and raising the awareness, and now they are doing the work more than us.
We have seen the great results that all the organizations have generated from the impact and resilience building perspective and from the business development perspective and scaling towards the future.
Gari mamun wankena kanang ta amfani pam tini abiu ti kenga biene mbwa birina ndugo kataji
isa yina gubu kwaltati kata bahayan gube tenya shamba.
So for us this was a wonderful opportunity to work and engage with these entities. So bringing universities actually offer them this excellent support, have access to world-class information. So that one side was very important.
The technical assistance provided had exceeded my expectations. All that knowledge translated into a business proposal with the financial plans and the projections. A very helpful tool now to scale up the Orang Asli, not just to improve their livelihoods, but now also how they can restore degraded land, protect the forests, which is in line with their culture.
This is a time for communities to test out localized solutions that work for them, being on the front lines of climate impacts. These impacts could further be scaled up and replicated to other regions within the same country, or potentially cross-regional programs as well.
Coming back here, just hearing our stories, the lessons learned, transform not just the community but ourselves as individuals, and then the network, for that we are grateful.
The work that you're doing is so immensely important. I can confidently say this has been the best, most inspiring meeting that I've attended in many years.
UNDP-AFCIA is innovative, game changer, and an inspiring model.